In this quick video, what I want to walk through is show you guys the Sidekick Meetings tab. So basically on the features and what to expect. But before we get into that, what I wanted to, I thought would be kind of cool, was show our final approval for our landing page. And this essentially is going to be done by September 13th, 2019. But this is what we have so far. We're going to have a video here, a quick little about why we built the platform. These are just going to kind of show some of the main features with, these are going to be essentially animated images that are going to kind of click through and show you. And then you can click here to expand and watch a video on how these features work. So, yeah, so I want to give you a quick update on that. So go ahead and close that out, but let's start getting into the meetings view. So this is going to be your main view when you first come to the Sidekick web app. Essentially, here you are, meetings, and when you first come to it, you're clearly not going to have any meetings that are going to be booked with Sidekick. Here is a quick call to action, so you could book your first meeting or go ahead and skip. And then we show these cards in the background just to kind of show you what it would look like. But let's say we go ahead and skip that. If we skip that, then obviously these cards are going to be blank until you start booking meetings. And we have the option to filter from confirmed meetings, pending meetings, and then canceled meetings. So you could drill down to as far as how many inbound canceled meetings happen within this week. You could also do inbound and outbound, but when you first come to the screen, we're just going to default and have all these selected, and then you could scroll to the next view, go back to today. You could filter through future months, past months, and really drill that down. If you're looking here, we have the option where you could collapse this menu and then expand this. If you look below the month, we're going to have displayed accounts. So these are going to be your email sources that you link up with the platform. And then here, if you want to add the weekends, you could go ahead and include the weekends as well. We chose on version 1.0 and beta to leave the weekends out. Majority of the people are probably going to be using this Monday through Friday, and it just gets really cluttered when you add those 2 days, and these cards get skinnier and it doesn't look as good. So you could go ahead and include the weekends if you want to. So then if you're looking here to upgrade more accounts, you click here, go to settings, you could upgrade. Now when you click on one of these, what's going to happen is you're going to pop up a lot within our designs. And when you click this card for the 17th Wednesday, you could see that this was an outbound meeting. So this means that you asked these people to meet and you sent the outbound request. We got the date and time. Here we have all the attendees. A couple quick actions. You could either click to reschedule this or cancel it. It tells you the meeting type, the location, where it's at. You could edit some of this if you want. Another thing here, what we're going to build in is the ability to see the timeline. So this is a pretty cool feature where you could literally see all the progression of this meeting from start to finish. So you sent the outbound meeting request, right? This was sent by Sidekick. Beth selected a time. This person selected a time. You could see that right there. And then you're going to have the ability to see the attendees as well. So go ahead and I'm just going to go back. But essentially, that's how it's going to be. So, for example, if not all these are linked up, but if you'd click, let's say a pending meeting, right, that's possibly pending for this day or pending for this time, you could click that and then essentially see the timeline, and you could see where it's at. Like, why is it in limbo? Why is it stuck? But again, just a really easy way to manage and edit this. And if you notice here, we have green for confirmed, yellow pending, red for canceled, and then we color coordinate each one of these, right, to signify that. And then we highlight that card as well. A couple other things that you could see that, so this color dot's different. Now, if we go back to meetings and we open this up, you could see your different sources. So at a really, really quick glance, you could see, the Sidekick AI these are all the Sidekick AI meetings that Sidekick is booking with, and then also this other Gmail. The blue signifies the blue for the Gmail. So yeah, so I want to make this video really quick, but this is going to be the default meetings view when you first log into Sidekick, and what you're going to be able to see, how you're going to be able to manage and edit. And I'm going to keep making videos. I'm going to keep making these videos for view by view. So let us know what you think in the comments below. It's easy, intuitive enough, simple to understand. And if you guys want to, like I said, we're gonna get the website up. So if you're watching this and before we launch, actually, if you want to go to sidekickai.com and essentially join beta, go ahead and do that. And we look forward to having you guys test this out with us.